Di ba sa YouTube nakita mo na, di ba tatalupan? Di ba pa na... Tatalupan to muna lahat, tatalupan. Tapos...
Pastor,
Ibubuin.
Pastor, can you take a picture? Hindi. Mag-prepare na ako.
I'm doing a video.
Go ahead. Documentary to. This is a documentary of planting garlic.
Documentary.
To make a garlic sauce.
This is my anti-cobra device because we have a dead cobra right here. Right here in the net.
Ano tayo magkain niyang pasok?
There's a dead cobra.
Wala pa. Nagpila ako ng pula. Yung sa palengke.
Got stuck in
Tatlo,
the net.
10. Hindi ko
Praise
masikaso
the
eh.
Lord. Anti-cobra device. Yes.
Sa bato?
Malayo ko kasi.
Oo, malayo lang. Pero doon sa bato, hindi mo nadidiligan eh, no?
Ito, kangkong. Tanim nila na yan. Kangkong yata yan eh. Hindi, ito. Yan o. Kangkong yan eh.
Alright, so that's all you do, Brother Mark.
Hindi ho, may
That's the root.
oh.
That's the top. And just stick it in. Right there.
One piece in every hole.
You plant that piece and you'll get this when it grows. Very good, huh?
Yeah.
Pastor Vito, Pastor Doc, Pastor Mark.
So, how long before it's harvest, sir?